3, 2, 1, start. The Allahabad High Court has held that the principle of res judicata does not apply from one assessment year to another. However, the court held that the department cannot be allowed to change its stance for the same SSC for different assessment years unless there is a marked change from one year to another. Relying on the decision of the Supreme Court in Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited versus Union of India, one may of course keep in mind that in taxation matters the principles of res judicata do not apply squarely for one assessment year to the other. However, keeping in mind the doctrine of finality, unless there is a marked change from one assessment year to the other, the department cannot be allowed to take a different stand. Section 4 of the UP Tax on Entry of Goods Act is a charging section which provides for the levy of entry tax on the entry of goods specified in the schedule into a local area for consumption, use or sale therein. For assessment year 2011-12, SSC purchased craft paper of rupees 3 crore 81 lakh and rupees 2 crore 17 lakh from within and outside the state of UP respectively. By notification number 104 dated 15/1/2009, entry tax has been levied on the craft paper meant for writing, printing and packing at the First Appellate Authority dismissed the appeal filed by the SSC. While dismissing the appeal of the SSC, the Commercial Tax Tribunal held that entry tax is leviable on mere entry of goods and its subsequent usage is immaterial. It has been further held that the applicant has itself deposited entry tax with the dealers, sellers outside the local area under bracket within UP of rupees 7,32,206 on the purchase of craft paper. It was held that SSC cannot dispute its liability of entry tax on purchase of craft paper made from outside the state of UP. Counsel for SSC revisionist argued that on identical facts for the preceding assessment year 2010-11, the tribunal held in favor of the SSC. The said order of the tribunal was challenged by the department before the High Court in revision, which was dismissed. It was held that no entry tax would be payable on the craft paper purchased by the applicant from outside the local area which has been used for the purpose of manufacturing abrasive and not being used for the purposes of writing, printing or packing. Stop.